Hello friends, welcome back to Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Girish CM. I am an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist. Today I am going to talk about lumbosacral belt. As many patients have observed, either orthopedician, neurologist or neurosurgeon or physiotherapist will prescribe lumbosacral belt. Now we need to understand what is the uses of lumbosacral belt, how this should be worn, and how much duration supposed to be wearing it, and which condition this lumbosacral belt is beneficial, whether this can be used in a post surgical cases, or this can be used in a sleeping position, or this can be used in a working condition. All these questions will be answered in a remaining part of the video. Kindly watch. Hello friends, welcome back once again. Now we need to understand how to measure lumbosacral belt for an individual patient. We need to have measurement tape and we need to measure the circumference of the waist just below the navel or the umbilicus. Once we establish the measurement of the lumbosacral belt, we need to note it down. This lumbosacral belt comes with small, medium, large, extra large, double extra large. So according to the established measurement, we need to buy the size of the lumbosacral belt. In which condition lumbosacral belt should be used? Normally, lumbosacral belt should be used in post-surgical cases like laminectomy, discectomy, or maybe multiple level of stabilizations. In case of lumbar spondylolysis or lumbar spondylolytis, or maybe listhesis conditions, or maybe a chronic condition or low back conditions. In case of mechanical back pains which is very acute in stage, or maybe disc prolapse, maybe radiculopathies, in this condition need to be worn. What are the benefits of lumbosacral belts in different conditions? Lumbosacral belts are useful to reduce the pain. It helps to prevent intervertebral movements. It helpful for the immobilization of the instability vertebrae. It will help to speed up the process of healing. Lumbosacral belts will be useful in case of post-surgical cases like laminectomy or multiple level of intervertebral stabilization. So when we wear these lumbosacral belts, it gives a very good support for the post-surgical cases, so that they will be speeding up the process of healing. As well as when we tries to move around, this gives a very good stabilization. There won't be any untoward movement occurs, and there won't be any further injury happens to the post-surgical condition. How much duration this lumbosacral belt should be wearing it? In case of acute conditions like disc prolapse or sciatica or any kind of a radiculopathies, it should be worn for 3 to 6 weeks. Behind that, you need to consult the doctors, because if you wear more than that, then there are chances of weakness in the lumbar region muscles. It should be avoided after 3 to 6 weeks. In case of long standing or chronic stages, you can wear intermittent, depends on the aggravating factors or relieving factors activities. In case of post-surgical cases like discectomy or laminectomy or multiple level of stabilization, in this case it should be worn up to 3 months. If it is required more than that, you need to consult doctor for the same. Lumbosacral belts can be used while sleeping? No. Lumbosacral belt should be avoided in sleeping position. As much as possible, you should not be wearing while sleeping. Should I need to wear lumbosacral belt while driving? Yes, you should wear lumbosacral belt while driving, because when you are driving there are chances of using a brakes suddenly. When we use brakes suddenly, there are chances of whiplash injuries or untoward movements of intersegmental of vertebrae, which might cause injury to the intervertebral joints. So definitely while driving we need to wear lumbosacral belt in case of acute or post-surgical cases. In case of acute stages like disc prolapse or sciatica or maybe post-surgical cases, in this we need to taken care of how to wear lumbosacral belt. Normally many patients do mistakes just lifting the trunk up and pull the lumbosacral belt inside and wrap it around and get up and walk. So this actually causes untoward movements over the intervertebral segment. There are chances of damaging the post-surgical cases or maybe aggravate the disc prolapse. So always we need to wear in case of acute in the form of a log rolling. So I am going to show how we are supposed to wear. So this is called, we need to take the belt, we need to keep it side and slowly we need to turn around. When we need to turn around, then this is called log rolling. We need to get it as much as rotate it, then slowly we need to move other side. Then we need to take the belt straps slowly, avoid lifting it. When there is weakness in the lumbar region muscles as well as leg muscles due to lots of pain around the region. So in that case we need to wear like this, just log rolling it and get the belt under the back, then come back to the position and wrap it. So here two types of wrapping. The first one is gives a good stabilization, and above that we have one more strap which gives very good stabilization for the lumbar region. Then gradually need to log roll to other side, holding like this rotation. So there won't be any intervertebral movement happens when we do log rolling it. Then slowly we need to get the legs down, then slowly using the elbow as well as the palm, making it straight, we will be able to sit straight like this. Then there won't be much load on the lumbar region, so that injury can be prevented. Then gradually taking the help of hand on a thigh, then gradually need to get up slowly. So this will help to prevent load on the lumbar region. So like this we need to wear a, if there is an acute condition. If the patient is much comfortable, the pain is lesser and patient able to lift the trunk up, then you do not require a log rolling for putting a belt, because we can utilize the muscle action. So thereby we can slowly lift the trunk up like this. Then we need to get the belt like this, place it exactly to the place, then gradually strap it around, then slowly log roll to one side, then take the help of palm as well as elbow, try to sit first. Once you are able to sit properly, if there is no any kind of a postural giddiness, then you will be able to ready for a standing up. Otherwise you need to sit for some time, then take the help of thigh muscles, push the palm to the thigh, then gradually get up slowly. So this is another method where you are much comfortable, the pain is much lesser. In case of chronic pain in the lumbar region, patient able to get up from the bed on his own, able to walk himself on his own without any difficulty. Only in certain activities patient is getting a pain, then he can wear lumbosacral belt in a standing position like this. I am going to show it now. Like this can be worn. So easily can mark the gluteal region, just above the gluteal region, then strap it with the other support. So like this can walk. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel, press bell icon for a future notification. If there is any advice or suggestion, kindly mention in the comment box. Thank you all. God bless you. Stay safe.